Ew. Are you farted? Don't drink that, baby. Throw up in there. Here. Okay? Wow. You okay? Are you whispering?
Mama.
Yes?
Bees.
Bees? Oh! What was that? You see a bug?
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
Oh, wait. Bees.
I hear the buzzing.
Mama. Hey, buddy?
That was scary. Give that mama.
No, I do.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Those are my stickers, Bubby.
Mommy.
Give to me now.
No.
Want to use the rest of your concealer to blend all of the bronzer and blush together. And if I could, I'd forget you. Okay.
Okay.
And my stickers.
My papers.
Give to me. Give to me.
Now.
Use this brush as a powder brush. I don't know if you guys watch this creator that specifically always uses RCM makeup no color powder. I bought this like a few months ago and I forgot about it. I'm gonna try it today. And good thing it comes with this large cap.
What?
Take the powder. She was not kidding about this powder. Just want to do a light, thin layer of powder first, and then I want to bake. Okay. Do you see that? They look pretty amazing. The brow's natural today. Use this blush. It's a powder blush.